I'm really pleased with my cut flower beds. They've given me plenty of flowers throughout the summer for the house. Now, when taking cut flowers, try and cut them early in the morning as the plant cells will be really full of water. Then put them straight into a clean bucket of fresh water, somewhere cool for a couple of hours so that they can have a really good drink before arranging. Once I've gathered enough material, all I need is a vase and some chicken wire. I use chicken wire to support the stems instead of synthetic floral foam, as it's more sustainable and can be used again and again. Once the chicken wire is in and the vase is full of water, I need to add a slosh of vinegar. Now, because tap water is slightly alkaline, and alkalinity just increases the bacteria, you know, the sort of slimy end of the stem that you get when the flowers have been in there for a couple of days. Well, something like vinegar or lemon juice, just a slosh of that in there, is going to cut through that, and hopefully we'll have longer lasting stems. I've decided once my lettuces are bolted, I was about to take them out, and then I thought, actually, I quite like those. So I'm going to see if they will work in my arrangement. So I'm just going to push those through. Always cut at a 45-degree angle, as this gives a greater surface area for the stems to soak up the water. And the other thing that I absolutely love to do is to add herbs, because, you know, you get just this fantastic fragrance as well as it looking good, hopefully. This is rosemary. Now, I think I am going to start adding some flowers. So I'd like to start with some of these amazing dahlias, because they're almost our showstoppers. So we'll put one of these here, because I just think that's beautiful. I'm going to put the other lovely dark red here. I'm going to go for this zinnia, which has got quite a long stem. Put it up here in the middle. And then I think this large one. I'll put another of these. Very important to step back and look at it before you carry on. Okay, I'm going to put some of the Dorcas in now, because I think that's just going to be such a lovely sort of melding plant. It's sometimes quite nice to have that sort of in and out quality. So rather than everything being at the same level, the same height, allow it to go back and forth. I'm happy with that. I really like it.